Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS low profile GeForce RTX 3050 BRK 6GB graphics card. So friend, low profile enthusiasts have warmly welcomed with newest GeForce RTX 4060 GPU based solution. Courtesy of ASUS and GIGABYTE was reported 300 plus USD dollar MRP have likely put off budget conscious buyers and friend a sub 200 USD dollar price point is more portable prospect, especially for system builders who are not all bothered about cutting edge gaming performance and friend a DVI-D connector ensure legacy compatibility alongside modern port standard HDMI 2.1 and DB 1.4a. And as mentioned before, ASUS has not publicly disclosed that pricing policy for GeForce RTX 3050 LP BRK 6GB card and friend. If you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.